Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Janice, creator of PinoyTechNet. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can replace your old ear cup cushions from your Sony WH-1000XM3 and make them look brand new again. Alright, so this isn't really a groundbreaking idea, but I think a lot of you don't really know how to do this. Hopefully this video will be able to help you. So what you need to do is just order a third-party ear cushion or ear pads for your Sony WH-1000XM3. And by the way, this is applicable to most of the popular headphones out there. So if your headphone model isn't the Sony WH-1000XM3, you can probably search for ear cups or ear cushions specific to your headphones and you can do the same thing. But just a quick note, the link in the description box will be way better than the one that I got for this video, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so first off, you just have to pry off your old ear cup cushions from your Sony WH-1000XM3, and you'll need a tool for that. Now for the replacement cushions that I have, they didn't come with a tool, but the one that I'll be linking in the description box will come with a tool that you can use to pry off your old ear cushions. Now once you have it off, of course, throw away your old ear cup cushions because they look gross. But on a serious note, the one that I ordered didn't come with this black cloth that you can see here. So this one is a cloth that's covering the cushions on the driver. So mine didn't come with one, so I had to reuse this cloth. So what I did is to simply wash them and I clipped them back on to the brand new ear cushions. And of course, as expected, it worked. Now, if your ear cup cushion didn't come with the cloth, then don't worry, you can still install it to your brand new ear cushions. Just don't be afraid to stretch your ear cushions because that's how it is. It's kind of a struggle to insert the old frame to your new ear cushions. But I don't think you'll have the same issue that I had in this video because the link in the description box comes with a cloth already. Now once you remove your old ear cushions, just place your brand new ear cushions and you're good to go. Now you don't really have to worry whether you're doing the right thing because they will snap into place. You just have to keep snapping them into place and you're good to go. So there you have it guys, you now have a set of brand new ear cushions for your Sony WH-1000XM3. Now I don't have any solution for the tattered headband cushion, so if you guys have any ideas or any leads, let me know in the comment section because I think the Sony WH-1000XM3 is still a wonderful set of headphones in 2021 and I think even beyond 2021, and that's taking into consideration the existence of a Sony WH-1000X4. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today guys, keep safe and have a great day.